Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody doing? This is yours truly, Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen. Okay, I am about to show you what I'm about to do, what I'm cooking, what I'm fixing or making hash brown potatoes, homemade hash brown potatoes. These are the potatoes. This is the onion, black pepper, and some of the other seasonings are onion powder, parsley flakes, garlic powder, and a little bit of Creole seasoning. Okay, I'm not going to hold you peeling potatoes because I know that everyone knows how to peel a potato. So I'll come back and I've heated a pan, a skillet with corn oil, and I put about I'll say about a fourth or third of oil in that. And when I get my potatoes all cut up and my onion and ready, I'll be right back. Okay, I've washed my potatoes and I have cut them up. You can see how I kind of slice them in little circles. And these are my onions that I'm going to put in them. And I put a lot of pepper in them and all of the seasonings that I've shown you. And I'm going to drop them in the hot grease. And I'll let you know or see the process as we go along. Okay? Here they are cooking on about medium to high. You'll have to just gauge your stove because each stove uh, cooks differently with the temperature, and my electric stove will cook a little faster. So I have it on about medium heat, and I'm going to be careful not to break up the potatoes because we're not trying to do smothered potatoes. We're trying to do hash browns, and I'm getting them started, and I'm going to, as they get brown a little bit, I'll kind of lightly turn them over and then add my onions. And then once they get started, I'll halfway cover them with this top, but not right now because I don't want the moisture to set in and they become smothered potatoes. Okay, see you in a minute. As you can see, I've added the onions. Hi everybody, I'm back, and this is the finished product of the homemade hash brown potatoes. And I've tasted some already, but I'm going to taste it while I'm doing the video. And let me show you what they look like. Look at this. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. I'm going to step away from the pan and taste. Mmm. They are delicious. I will add just a little bit of salt to them, but they are delicious. You must try them. Homemade hash brown potatoes. They're good. If you like my video, please follow, share, like, and please subscribe. And if you want to get notifications when I upload my videos, tap that notification bell and you should get notifications from me. Thank you. Have a great day and goodbye.